Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram login error in iPhone. To know how to fix Instagram login error in iPhone, you should just go to click here settings. After that, in this page you will go to apps, and when you will see this list you will go down to find the application of Instagram, as you see, and then in this page you will go to click force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, then you will click clear data, and after all that you can update your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.